Hi crafters, thanks for joining me today. I have a little bit of a different video because I wanted to make some swatches and I thought why not go ahead and show you the process. So I am using my Ranger embossing powders, and recently I have acquired quite a few new colors, and they are just the best powders out there. They are so highly pigmented, such gorgeous colors, and they melt like a dream. So if you don't have any of the Ranger, I suggest you get some because they're great. So I'm going to use my Cat Scrappiness Swatches stamp set, and this is a new stamp set for April 2018, and it's available in her shop, so I will leave the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself. And for this video I'm going to use the solid circle stamp, and this is just going to make it real quick and easy for me to make these swatches. And I'm just going to use, if I can find it on my desk, I'm going to use my Versamark sticky ink, which is my favorite ink to use. And I just cut a piece of white cardstock in a 2-inch strip, and I'm starting off with the Verdigris embossing powder, and I'm just going to turn on some music and let you watch. right, so here is one last look at all of the color samples that we made today. These are really, really beautiful, and I am so glad that I got them. And this does not actually represent the entire color line. There are plenty more out there that I don't own yet, and they're on my wish list, so hopefully someday I can finally say that my collection is done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I tried to edit it down so that you were just seeing what the powders were like in their jars and then what they looked like melted. So that was my goal, and hopefully I achieved that. So thank you again for watching, and please stay tuned because in just a moment I'm going to be back again with more details about the giveaway that I'm doing this month. And it's just a little way for me to say thank you to all of my subscribers and all the viewers out there. So you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. All right, so for the giveaway, I am going to be giving a full jar of this beautiful enchanted gold embossing powder. And you may remember this one from the video with that beautiful pale gold and all of that fabulous iridescent sparkle. So you will get this entire full jar of powder for you to play with at home. So I just went ahead and just again for a visual reference, did some samples, and I did it on the white cardstock where you can see that it's a beautiful pale gold and the iridescent shine. And then I also did it on black cardstock, which is also a really lovely effect, and it really brings out a greenish cast to the iridescent sparkle. And then I did it on the medium blue, and as you can see, the gold kind of took on a beautiful coppery or maybe rose gold look, and it really brought the pinks out in the iridescent powder. So clearly this stuff is amazing, and when you get it at home, you can practice using it on different colors of your cardstock, and just to see all the beautiful things that it does. So this is what the giveaway is. And if you would like to win this jar of powder, all you have to do is leave a comment below on this video, and I'm going to give this 5 days. So it will be finished on Friday, April 20th at 12 noon Pacific. And that is when the giveaway will close. So up until then, you have a chance to enter. And then on that day, I will make another quick video where I announce the winner. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you can see when that video pops up, and hopefully you will be the winner. This is just my way of saying thank you to all of my wonderful subscribers and to all the people who are out there watching my videos. It means so very much to me. I really love crafting. I really love making these videos, and you just do not know what your encouragement means to me. So good luck to all of you out there, and keep your eyes open for that announcement video. And in the meantime, you guys have an absolutely awesome week, and I'll see you all again really, really soon. Bye-bye.